Works in just a bit. We're talking about the funding model, whether there's categories of vulnerable scholarships at 80%, extremely needy scholarships at 70%, with a loan of 30%. Is it practical, Akello?
This funding model apparently is not practical.
Why not?
In my view, I think it is a way of ensuring that many students will definitely discontinue their learning because the universities are already starved of resources, and therefore this is a model which is basically to generate funds. And once they fail to generate funds, they will force the learners to be out of school.
Okay.
So in my view, I think this funding model is not practical because the current one has also even failed. Remember, we are in, the universities currently have not given dates of admission because they were waiting for government to actualize what was offering in terms of funds. But now that it has been given them back in terms of to charge fees, we are likely to have many dropouts in this funding model.
The fee structure you're looking at, which one is it and what strikes you the most out of that?
The fee structure that I have here is from Kenyatta University, and it has got clusters. Cluster 1B, the first program cost is 612,000. First semester is 376,200. Second semester is 122,400. The third semester is 122,400.